The Unfiltered by Jay.
Jade.
Welcome to the Unfiltered by Jade, where we educate, empower, and entertain. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, download, donate, and make everybody know about this.
Beats by RB Records.
Shopping assistance, your style, your budget. Our services include online and local shopping for individuals and businesses, personal shopping, purchasing of company and office supplies, importing and exporting small packages across Jamaica and worldwide, and helping you find unique gifts and items for all events and occasions. Contact us at 876 919 5195 or shoppingassistance2015 at gmail.com. Shopping Assistance, your style, your budget.
Welcome back to the Unfiltered by Jade. Today we have with us here Pankaj Zanke. Today we're going to speak about AI and career growth. And our guest today, he is a passionate lead validation engineer, and he has so much to share with us today. So we're going to get into it. So, hi Pankaj, how are you?
Hi Jay, I'm good. I hope your summer is going well and you're enjoying it.
It's going well. Thank you so much for asking, and I hope the same for you.
Yes, thank you, and thanks for inviting me to your podcast and giving me an opportunity to be a part of it.
No problem, no problem. All right, so I want to talk about AI and career growth. So, can you explain what artificial intelligence is and how currently being used across various industries?
Yeah, sure. According to me, the artificial intelligence or AI is when the machines are made to think and learn like the human. It involves creating a program that allow the computer to do the task that usually need the human intelligence, right? Like understanding the language, understanding the image, data points, recognizing the patterns, solving the problems, and making the decisions. AI is being used in many different industries, like in healthcare. It helps the doctor diagnose the diseases, predict how patients will do, and create the personalized treatment plans. In finance industry, AI is used to to detect the fraud, manage the risk, and automate the trading. In the retail industry, it improve the customer experience by offering the personalized recommendations and help to manage the inventory and supply chains. It also help to to create some personalized promos and flyers for customers in the retail industry. In the insurance industry, where I am currently working on, AI is changing the way companies access the risk, create the policies, and handle the claims. It's helping a lot to bring down the claim processing time. By analyzing the large amount of data, AI can help make the more accurate and predictive and better decisions. Overall, according to me, AI is becoming a key part of many industries and making the process more efficient and helping to drive the innovations.
Hmm. So AI is useful in any industry that we look at.
Yes, I mean, as I mentioned, like it's usually getting used throughout the different industries and domains. And right now, I'm working on the insurance industry, so I can bring the more kind of examples from the insurance industry. But at the same times, I do have some research papers are published on the retail and on the healthcare industries as well. So I can see that, like the AI is spreading everywhere, and it's usually getting used throughout the different industry and different domains.
Lovely, lovely. What career opportunities are emerging due to advancements in AI, and how can professionals position themselves to take advantage of them?
Sure. If you think about it, right, like the advancements in the AI are creating a many new job opportunities. Like there are AI specialists, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and also the AI data validation engineers, right? These roles involve developing the AI system, analyzing the data to improve the AI, and ensure that the AI is used fairly and ethically. There are also emerging opportunities in the areas like natural language processing, robotics, and AI power automations. To take the advantage, I think, for of these opportunities, right? The individuals should start by learning the basics of AI and machine learning through the online courses, certifications, or advanced degrees, right? There are a lot of good YouTube channels are available, as well as good courses, free courses are available to understand the AI basic. It also important to build the skill in one of the programming language, and I would suggest Python, as to understand the data analysis, and at the same time, the gaining the practical experience by working on the AI projects, or participation in the AI competitions like hackathon, or the to present your paper on the AI data validations can be very helpful. Yeah, at the same time, I would like to suggest that the professionals should join some AI groups like the meetups, attending the conferences, and keeping up their AI trends and also keywords to position yourselves for a successful career in the AI.
What specific skills are becoming increasingly important in the age of AI, and how can we individuals acquire these skills?
Yeah, so according to me, in the age of AI, programming, data analysis, data validations, data engineering, machine learning, and understanding the AI algorithms are becoming increasingly important. There are a lot of AI algorithms are running behind the scenes, like for a data validations, image processing, to understand the different data points. So to understand all those algorithms, you need some kind of data analysis, data validation, data engineering skill, how you are going to move your data from source A to source B, or source to a target system, right? All these roles are getting very popular. These skills are essential for developing and working in the AI technologies, and also additionally in the cloud computing, big data, cyber securities are crucial, as AI is often involved processing a large amount of data and ensuring it's secured, right? We have to make sure our data is secured. To acquire these skills, as I mentioned before, like we should start learning one of the programming language. Maybe if you are comfortable, the Python is very easy language, which is commonly used in the AI. There are many online courses or certifications that cover the basic of AI, machine learning, and the data science. Also, there are the platforms, like you can register there, you can use their data sets, and get your hands on the experience through a projects. You can also apply for some internship or participate in the AI competitions like Kaggle, can be very valuable. Staying update on the latest AI developments by reading the articles. There are very good websites like the dataversity, data d zones, also the mediums. These websites are free, and also a LinkedIn. There are very good articles available on the AI. You should also, I mean, the individual should also attend the webinars and join the AI community is very important as well. And when I'm talking about the community, there is a community called ADP list, which is very which has a great platform for all the AI engineers, right? They can get a good amount of or solid amount of understanding from good mentors.
Lovely. So there's so many different directions that we can look into for things that we want to learn some more about it and apply it. Um, to
Yes.
whatever it is that we're doing. How can professionals balance their roles with AI technologies to enhance productivity and job satisfaction?
I think professionals should consider the AI as a tool that complement your work rather than replace it, right? AI can handle the repetitive and time consuming tasks, allowing the professionals to focus on more strategic and creative aspect of their jobs. For example, in the data analysis, AI can quickly process the large data sets, leveraging the analyst with more time to interpret the result and make the information decisions to achieve to achieve this balance, right? Like the professional should invest the time in understanding how the AI works and how it can be integrated into their daily task. This might involve learning the new skills or tools that make it easier to work alongside the AI by stay and at the same time by staying curious and open to a new technologies. Professional can find the ways to use the AI to automate the routine task, freeing up the time for more meaningful works. Right? It is. I think it is very important to keep the human element in areas where AI cannot replace the human understanding. By AI's efficiency with their own expertise and creativities, professionals can enhance both their the productivity and the job satisfaction. If you consider AI as a partner in your work, then it can lead to a more fulfilled and impactful career.
Hmm, yes, I agree with that. What ethical considerations should be considered when working with AI, and how can professionals ensure they act responsibly?
I think one major concern is a fairness. We need to ensure that the AI system do not reinforce the existing bias or the to lead to a discrimination. It is crucial that the data used to train this system is diverse and representative, and at the same time that we regularly check and address any biases that may comes up, right? Transparency is another the key aspect. We should clearly explain how AI system is making a decision, like if your claim is processing from point A to point B, or point from stage A to stage B, then the customer should know that, like, what are the different stages or different data has considered when the claim is getting processed from stage A to stage B. People need to understand how the system work and how their decisions are made. This build the trust, and to ensure that the AI is used responsibly, right? And one of the other aspect is, like, the privacy. As the data is available everywhere, right? Privacy is also a significant issues. We must protect the personal data and stick to a privacy laws. So that's why the data governance, right, it's come into a picture. That will make sure the data governance team will make sure your data is secured properly. This means the completing a strong data protections measures and being transparent about how data is collected, used, and stored. Accountability is essential as well. If the AI system make the mistake or cause the harm, it is important to take the responsibilities and correct the issues. This helps to ensure that the technology is used ethically, and that and that any problems are promptly addressed. And we should consider the broader impact of AI. We need to make sure it is used aligns with ethical standards and values.
And if it is that you're working on something and they ask if it is that you're using this, you should say yes so that, the ethical standards will be upheld.
Yes, yeah, I mean that's correct. Like, if we're working on any kind of data, so it is very important to to train our AI models, to divide our data into a proper structure. It should not be like, your data is divided biasly.
Hmm, I agree. What are your predictions for the future of AI in the workplace, and how should individuals and organizations prepare for these changes?
It's growing rapidly. as everyone knows that the future of AI is in the workplace hold the existing possibilities, but also present the challenges. There will be a lot of challenges as with the going future with the AI. AI will continue to transform the various job roles by automating the routine process, enhancing the decision making processes, and enabling the more personalized and efficient workflows. We are likely to see the AI becoming more integrated into our everyday business operations, from managing the customer interactions with the chatbot or optimizing the supply chains and data analysis, right? To and to prepare for these changes, for all these changes which is coming into all the different industries and very rapidly, we should focus on building the skill that complement the AI rather than compete with it, right? This include developing the expertise in the areas like critical thinking, creativity, and complex problem solving. I think organizations also should invest in training their employees to adapt to a new technology and integrate AI into their processes. And lot of organizations are already started working on it. There are a lot of free trainings available inside the organization for their employees. They should also foster a culture of continuous learning and adaptability, encouraging their the team to stay updated on the latest AI development. It is important for organization to think how AI can be used to enhance their business operations and to improve the overall efficiency.
For AI in general in organizations, I think one of the issues or the negative aspects to it that people are afraid of is losing their jobs to AI. So it becomes a competition. And I know you said instead of being competitive with it, see how it is that we can coexist with it. But if it's a threat to people and their jobs because AI is taking over, people believe that if you have AI, you really don't need people then.
It is partially might be true, but according to me, AI is not going to take your job away from you. AI will create a more job as and when there is automation is involved in any of the tasks. There will be a free time to focus on more strategic work. To see the AI can give you the result, but at the end, to analyze that result, to predict the future, there will be a human involvements are should be there in the insurance industry, right? uh, the AI can use from data collection till the claim processing, but the end part, right, the underwriting part, it is very important. There should be some human factor so that they can consider what are the different points and data points are considered to take the final decisions. For At the same time, if your data, see, in the AI field, if your data is not divided properly, if your AI model is not trained with the correct data sets, then the result will go totally into opposite way. That's why there should be a human involvement. And as I mentioned before, there will be a more jobs available, like the AI data validation engineer, integration engineers, AI algorithm validation engineers, right? So I think and the AI, there will be more tools. So and all the tools, it's not comfortable with the big data and cloud technologies. So there will be a roles around the AI, but the thing is, we have to upgrade us from our old languages to to new skill. We have to keep learning. We have to spend some time on the AI algorithms, AI validations, like how these structures are going to work, how we can implement the AI in our day-to-day work, and how we can rest of the time, how we can use for some productive work.
Oh, okay, lovely. So people are not supposed to be afraid of it.
That's correct.
Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, I want you to tell people where is it that they can find you if it is that they want to learn more about it or read more about it. Because I know you do some blogging regarding it. Where is it that they can find you? Where can they find your different articles?
Yeah, sure. So, I'm a senior member of IEEE, so they can connect with me on the IEEE platform. At the same time, I'm very active on the LinkedIn. My name is same on the LinkedIn as well, the Pankaj Zanke. They can connect with me, they can message me, and I will be very happy to guide all your attendees or all your crowd to get trained on the AI. At the same time, I am one of the top 1% mentor on ADP list, which is a free platform for all the mentees. They can send me a request and schedule a one-on-one session with me if they want. I would be happy to guide them.
Nice, nice. I mean, this is interesting. It's even helping people to know that okay, instead of having a negative view on this, have a positive view. See how it is that we can make it positive, and see how we can learn to coexist with it because we can use this tool for many things.
Yes, that's true. That's exactly true. The AI is a positive thing which is happening in the industry, and it is helping the industry to create the automate the task, but at the same time, there will be a more AI jobs.
Hmm. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Based on what other people have been saying about AI, these are interesting take that you have given us. So thank you for that.
Sure.
Thank you for that. And I want to thank you so much for being on the podcast and sharing your knowledge, even about AI and career growth. And I want to even thank my listeners for continuing to be on the podcast. And we'll be back next week, Tuesday, on the Unfiltered by Jade. Thank you.